Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I made over 400 cedis on Pico with just 30 cedis, because I registered with 60 cedis and I cashed out 30 cedis immediately. Okay, so let's head over to the account. I'll leave the link in the description, so you just head over and create an account. Okay, so as you can see, I have a balance of 32 cedis. This 32 cedis comprises of referrals and daily rewards. Okay, so this the amount I've withdrawn so far, and I'm going to withdraw this 32 cedis as well. So you tap on the withdraw button, you wait for it to load. Okay, you see your balance over here. So as you can see, you have 32 cedis 80 pesos. Okay, so you tap on the wallet, then the amount you want to withdraw. So I'm withdrawing all 32 cedis 80 pesos. Okay, so I'm going to get 29 cedis because they are going to deduct an amount of 10%. They are going to deduct 10% of the amount you are withdrawing, so I'll be receiving 29 cedis. Okay, so so I'm going to receive 29 cedis and all. Okay, so I'll just tap on the withdraw money now. Okay, so it has been submitted. We will receive the money in no time, so you just refresh the page. Okay, till you see 0.00 over here. Tap on OK. So let's wait for the money to drop. Okay, it's a very legit site. I just invested 30 cedis and as you can see, I've cashed out almost 415 cedis. Yeah, that's how it works. You can be tracking your records over here. Records, so you tap on it. As you can see, these are my earnings or my incomes. These are my withdrawals. Okay, so as you can see, the money is in. The 29 cedis, it's in successfully. Okay, yeah, that's how the site works. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be dropping more tips on how to make money, so subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and like this video.